No, no. JV.HDTV.
So today, all has been happening was that we have bouncy houses, and there's like good food like jerk chicken, and there's music, and it's very fun, and there's a lot of stuff for the kids. Hi. Today, it's Family Fun Day, and we're having a lot of fun. The kids, we're doing special activities like we're playing in bounce houses, and it's very fun here because families get to play around and have a good time with their children. It's a lot of fun. Bounce houses, 3 of them, and there's a stage. A lot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.
TV Jamaica, happy Independence Day, see? Yeah, within New York, but you still represent Jamaica to the world. Peace. Yeah, you know, with that Jam Down Fun Day, with Brooklyn, Jam Down Fun Day, big event, lots of entertainment for the kids, them free bounce about, every little thing there. Yeah, I tell everybody enjoy themselves and enjoy themselves. Little more, you know, Charlie Black's not the place, and Professor Nuts. Yeah, so we say again, happy Independence Jamaica, big up, Jam Down Fun Day, big up, respect. Saying love.
Hi Jamaica, happy Independence Day. Yay, happy Independence. Bless up.
Hey, wake up. Hi, Downtown. Big up Downtown, Duane Park, Shakespeare Avenue Street.
Yeah man, big up Hot Skull right now in the move, you know. Skelly shall come on later on, so look out for it, but right now I just have to preview. Hot Skull I do him thing right now. Yeah. Say name?
One girl in cartoon dance and it just like her. I can't even go to the brother.
BTV, I don't know. Me and Skelly Shadaya, we represent JA Jamdong. I don't know, the place to be is Thomas Jefferson High School, Flatlands, in Brooklyn, New York. So something else?
See it. I don't know, Skalisha soon touch the stage, and when she touch the stage, it's not going normal, because Raga Shanti will take a piece of her. Alright, guess what I'm talking about?
Charlie Black's got there, I don't know. Come, if you don't come this year, next year go bigger and better. Every year bigger and bigger. This is the 7th annual. You understand? Jamaica Independence. Happy Independence to everybody. Yard and abroad.
Big up. All time.
Everybody soon coming. The people that soon coming. Sit there. We're there. We have fun. Food, everything. Bunks about. Kids eat free. Them coming free. Drink, everything. Games all day. Everything there. And come out. Come out. Come out. People want to come out.
Big up yourself.
Come out. Big up on yourself. BTV. You lot.
Yo, this is DJ.HDTV from Red Hat Radio. Don't know things set, you know. Representing for BTV. You know people to make sure you log on and support the thing. You understand? Up and running. Yo, check out my new single too, you know. You know the thing, see? Hold it and broke it off for the girls, them. See? So the thing set, you know. Check it out, it's on iTunes. DJ.HDTV, aka Elegant. Up and running, you know. And guess over there? JA Jam Down Family Fun Day. What me say? J.A. Jam Down Family Fund there. Professor Nuts. I don't know Charlie Black. The thing born up, hosted by Raga Shanti. Yo, big up all of the massive them were there. As you look around, you see a crowd of people there from early out. You understand? And dancing Scalisha look more. Hey, a crocus bag or something, So here, make sure you reach out here. So early, you see it. DJ there I represent. BTV, Martin, burn up. Yeah? Okay. Yo, and DJ Ellie, brand new single. Hold it and broke it off for the girls them. She want to hold it and broke it off. She want it hard, she no want nothing soft. She think me did normal, never knew me stronger than Arnold. Take her to school like Jamal. Me a boy when no do nothing carnal. When me put it on her, she can't take it off. And a movie, when me set it off. So the juice start run, can't shut it off. You have to do a thing set, see it? Make sure you check it out. It's on iTunes. You understand? 2020 rhythm. Yo, big up CV, big up LNJ, big up Cement Kid, the whole entire family. G-Star, big up yourself. DJ Ellie I represent for BTV. Martin, loud.
Welcome to Jam Down, Jamaica Family Fun Day. It's an annual event to celebrate our independence. Right now we are at Granny Maze's stall. We specialize in Jamaican pastry, gizadas, greater cake, drops, jackass, corn, and we also have the goodly curry chicken, brown stew chicken, and white rice, and gunga peas, rice and peas. Not to mention the suck, me know and remember that from our childhood days. All right, our bag juice, big up. Mention. This is the curry chicken with little Irish and carrot, just like how your granny used to do it. We make sure you get back that flavor there. Stir up the brown stew there, make the camera get the nice, rich brown stew gravy. And camera can't smell it the way it's nice. Plain white rice, nice and hot. And the goodly gungo peas, rice and peas. Good there, shelly. Well, true, everybody I go organic. We say we never want to leave them out. So we do a little mixed salad. You choose your ingredients. And we toss it for you. Any dressing you want. We have 4 different dressings, 6 different toppings. Because we can't leave out the vegetarian name. The suck now. Ginger, come now, what the suck? Berry suck. Bag juice. Delicacy, ginger, delicacy. Come, sample. Bread pudding too, bread pudding.
No,